Friends, today I am going to show you how to calculate EMI in Excel. So if you want to calculate EMI in Excel, then first of all you have to calculate the rate of interest per month and the number of month for which you have taken the loan. In my example, the loan amount is 1 lakh, rate of interest is 12% and time is 3 years. So to find out the number of months for which you have taken the loan, you multiply the given years by with 12, that is 3 years into 12 equal to 36 months, and divide the rate of interest by 12, that is 1% per month. So in this problem, while we will calculate EMI, we will consider time as 36 months and rate of interest as 1%. So now let's see how to calculate EMI. So before typing the formula, you should know the syntax of EMI. Syntax of EMI is this one. If you want to calculate the EMI, then first of all you have to type PMT. After that, in bracket you will type the rate of interest per month, then after a comma you will type number of installment, then the present value of the loan, then future value of the loan, and then the type. Here present value is the loan amount, that is rupees 1 lakh. Future value will be 0 all the time, and type will be either 1 or 0. If you pay the EMI at the end of the month, then the type will be 0, and if you pay the EMI at the beginning of the month, then the type will be 1. And however, type is not necessary. While typing the formula, you may or may not provide the type. So now I will type the formula here. See, equal to PMT, then a bracket, and within bracket first of all I have to type the rate of interest per month. So my rate of interest is 12% per annum. So rate of interest per month will be 12% divided by 12, that is 1%. So you can also type 1% directly here. I am typing 12% divided by 12. Then number of installment. Your time is 3 years. So if you pay EMI at the end of every month, so you will find 36 installment, that is 12, 3 into 12. You can type 36 directly here. Then present value of the loan will be rupees 1 lakh, the amount of loan which you have taken, that is 1 lakh. You can type 1 lakh, or you can also type A2. So either you type rupees 1 lakh directly here, or you can type the sale address of that 1 lakh, that is A2, comma, then future value will be 0 all the time, 0. Then type, as I said, type is not necessary. I am not putting any type. Now you close the bracket and press enter. So this amount is your EMI, 332143. So in this way you can calculate the EMI in Excel. Whenever the result will come, it will come in negative value. So if you want to ignore the negative value, then while you will type the formula, before starting the formula you put a minus sign, so that it become positive, the result become positive. So in this way you can calculate EMI in Excel. Thank you.